This is the installation instruction video for the Trailblazer bushing kit from bushingfix.com. Start by removing the pieces of the old bushing if there are any left. Then take the bushing and push it into the cup straight. It looks like this. Now take the cup and bushing and push it into the shift cable so that the point of the cup is facing in the opposite direction of the shift lever, like this. Now remove the cup, it just pulls off. Check the installation, make sure it popped into place. It looks like this. Now put the shift cable back onto the transmission lever. Make sure the notch side is facing toward the shift lever. Push it into place and give it a wiggle to be sure it's secure. That's what it looks like. Now take the transmission lever and shift back and forth between park and 1 several times. And that's it.